Have you ever been denied credit for something you thought you could definitely afford? Maybe it was a dream apartment, a new car, or even that perfect vacation. It can be a frustrating experience, leaving you wondering what went wrong. Well, chances are, your credit score played a big role in that decision. Your credit score is a 3-digit number that lenders use to assess your creditworthiness. It basically tells them how likely you are to repay a loan on time. So, naturally, you want to keep that score in tip-top shape. One way to do that is to monitor your credit report regularly. This report details your credit history, including things like your credit accounts, payment history, and any inquiries made about your credit. By keeping an eye on your report, you can catch errors early on and make sure everything is accurate. Now, here's where Transunion comes in. Transunion is one of the 3 major credit bureaus in the United States, along with Experian and Equifax. These bureaus collect and maintain information about your credit history, and it's from their reports that your credit score is generated. So, the question remains, how much does it cost to access your credit report and scores through Transunion? Let's break it down. The free option, annualcreditreport.com. First things first, there's actually a way to get your credit report for free, and you're legally entitled to it. By law, you can request a free credit report from each of the 3 bureaus, Transunion, Experian, and Equifax, once a year. There's a central website set up for this purpose, Annual Credit Report. Here's the catch, while the report itself is free, you won't see your credit score included. The score is a separate product that Transunion offers. Buying your credit score from Transunion. If you want to see your Transunion credit score, you'll need to pay a one-time fee of 99 cents. That gets you a single VantageScore 3.0 score. Now, it's important to note that VantageScore is just one type of credit score. Lenders use a variety of models, and the one they use might be different from VantageScore. So, while this score can give you a general idea of where you stand, it might not be the exact score a lender sees. Transunion Credit Monitoring. Transunion also offers a credit monitoring service for a monthly subscription fee of $29.95. This service gives you several benefits. Unlimited access to your Transunion credit report and score. Email alerts for any critical changes to your report. Instant notifications if someone applies for credit in your name. The ability to lock and unlock your Transunion and Equifax credit reports, which can help prevent identity theft. Personalized debt analysis and credit score trending. A score simulator that lets you see how specific actions might affect your credit score. Up to $1 million in ID theft insurance, depending on the plan you choose. So, which option is right for you? The best option for you depends on your needs. Here's a quick breakdown. Need your credit report right now and don't care about your score? Use annualcreditreport.com, it's free. Want a basic idea of your credit score without breaking the bank? Pay the 99 cents for a one-time VantageScore. Want to keep a close eye on your credit and have additional identity theft protection? Consider the $29.95 monthly credit monitoring service. Important things to remember. No matter which option you choose, there are a few key things to keep in mind. You can get your free credit report from each bureau, Transunion, Experian, and Equifax, once a year. It's important to review your reports regularly for any errors. If you find errors, you can dispute them with the credit bureau. There are many ways to improve your credit score, such as making on-time payments, keeping your credit utilization ratio low, and avoiding opening too many new credit accounts at once. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.